Hello everyone, I'm Ken from Eneo Company. Today I'm gonna teach you how to maintain our under-counter dishwasher. You have to maintain our machines every day when you finish using. So first of all, turn off turn off the machine and then take out everything from the machine. The racks and the tool nets. And also just to take it out and arrange all the water from the tank, and also this box. And then use the shower to clean the inner tank and also shower the boxes too. After that, put back all the stuff to the original places. After that, leave the doors open and make it air fresh. This is all of our tutorials of under-counter dishwasher, and thanks for all guys watch. Please subscribe our channel.